Hello. Hi everyone. Today I want to share my story about junk journal. I really admire Eva from Bohemian Crafting, and she doing really beautiful junk Victorian projects. She use anything. And so I make decision and bought a few junk journal collection from Stamperia, and make decision I will try do junk journal also, but that is not my passion. I don't know to do that. So even I get that junk journal collection, I just cut and do it, and that is a result of what I doing because my favorite things are albums, photo albums. So that what I made. But I love it. Okay, let's see what I did. The sign is my recipes created by hand, inspired by earth. So I showed the album to my friends and she already bought it. So its album is gone. I just make video and give to my friends. So look at that beautiful girl who play with I don't know that flowers and grows and make something what is magic. So let's see inside. Here I make by magnet a little book, and we can write some recipe, and also here is pocket, so we can add photos there, of course, because for me it's always photos. So I add that animal books also here. I scribble add the scribble, and when I close it I go to other side. Here is teeny mini book, and I glue this feather on that pin, and let's see what is here. Okay, I put a little tags, but we can add photos there, also photos here. And I have to tell, I use almost all collection. Maybe I make one postcard, but that's all. It's just little things I don't use. Okay, so it's really cute. I love it. So, and not to open, so that is that coming here. Okay, next I make some envelopes. Also it's closed by this office pins. I glue that flowers on. And here we can add many photos, and of course I was thinking about herbarium. That was my idea, but I don't care what they enjoy for like album, or when they go through when they walking outside they can make photos. Here I cut and put acetate so you can see through the window. Here is something like that and that. Can write something or glue something. Here I add the part with flowers, and here I add that beautiful girl. Next again is on office pin, and here we have beautiful image. Here I just decorate the can't, maybe write something or put some stamps or something, I don't know. And here we can add big photos, and I just decorate that tag. Here is that herbalist, and so can add something more. Okay, so it's that, and we close with that beautiful feather. Okay. Oh, okay, I have to glue it. And even I use glue and then hot glue doesn't. Okay, maybe it's double tape. I fix it. Next, I love these two children, and I add just these fussy cutting images, and here we can add photos also, and here also we can add photos, and here is just belly band, and can add photos. Closure, I hope not will break it. No, okay. Okay, and here is really like inside the herbarium, and can slide something here. Then when I open its big tag, and I just cut the page and make something like that. Each thread I finish with that leaves, and look cute, I think. Okay, okie dokie, that was from top or bottom. Okay, and last one is pocket. When we go through the album, we can take a cup of tea from nature. Okay, so that is my junk journal. I know it's not a junk journal, but I try. Okay, so thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye, guys.